Alright, everybody, welcome to the horsey game. This thing is trending like a crazy Larry Cook sister recipe. This thing is insane. And you'll see why in a moment. I don't know. It looks okay. Don't judge a book by its cover. It looks insanely weird, man. It looks insanely weird, but trust the system. Get your money ready. You guys must pick your favorite horse already early. Alright, let's begin. Help! I have the horse flu. Fuck. How did I get the horse? Okay, wait.
Okay.
Okay. The doctor says I'm afraid the treatment cost is $62,375. Aibo. Now we're talking. Oh wait, we can go straight. We can go straight to a race. Oh now. Let's go. Here we go. Horsey game. Okay, guys, you must get ready to vote with me now. We must as a community, we must pick the best horse and we must get rich together. We must get rich together. Wat se perd is hierdie? This is not normal horses, my bra. This is not normal horses. What type of a horse is this? What are the Dowie, Black Mambo, Full Metal Deal, Lemon Meringue? Lemon Meringue looks feisty. Lemon Meringue looks a bit feisty, I'm not gonna lie. Look at the nose. Look at the nose on Lemon Meringue. Look at the forehead on Full Metal Deal. My bra, you have a 5-finger forehead. Eyeball. Look at that. The Black Mambo is wearing the sunglasses. Eyeball. The groot kop may be powerful. 60,000 rand on number 2. But the groot kop, the big head. The big head is a powerful thing, I cannot lie. Because I have a groot kop. Number 4. Are we going with Lemon Meringue? I think Lemon Meringue is gonna take over this entire race. I think number 4, Lemon Meringue. Lemon Meringue looks powerful, brah. Lemon Meringue. I think Lemon Meringue takes this. I honestly think Lemon Meringue takes this. What do you guys think? Brah. Full meal deal. Dis nie met... Dis meal deal. Dis nie metal deal. Ek wil net sê full metal deal. It's full meal deal. Okay. I am putting my bets on Lemon Meringue. Oh, you can choose how much you want to bet. Okay, we have $50 in the bank. We are poor at the moment. Oh, should we go all in? I am saying we go all in. I say we go all in Lemon Meringue. Let's go all in. All or nothing. Lemon Meringue. All or nothing. What do you say? $5 bet? $5 bet or all or nothing? All or nothing or $5 bet? I'm saying all or nothing. Go big or go home. I will never be broke. I have faith in Lemon Meringue. All in. Wait, how much is it? Oh, okay, the max bet is 20. The max bet is 20. Alright, Lemon Meringue, it's your time to shine. Lemon, go, Lemon. Lemon, go, Lemon, go. go, my baby! No! Lemon! No! Lemon! Lemon, that ref! Black Mamba was behind me! Black Mamba was behind me! That is a lie! That is a lie! Black Mamba was behind me! Black Mamba wasn't there! Lemon was in front! Haibo, you're joking. You're joking. Black Mamba wasn't there. Black Mamba. No. Black Mambo. We need to talk to the ref. We need to talk to the ref. That is cheating. Wait, let's analyze. Bruh! Lemon Meringue is touching the line. Lemon Meringue is touching the line. Black Mambo isn't even touching the line. No, bruh. You lying. You are lying. I am going to call the police. Well, okay, they won't even help. I am going to call... I am going to call a random number, and I just want to see who's going. We just lost a lot of money. We just lost a lot of money. Oh no, we lost a lot of money. That is bad. But we almost won. We did win. Okay. Oh, there's new horses. Okay. Honestly, Lemon Meringue is a Lemon Meringue was fast. Who's next? Grand Coulee Dam, Sunbird, Galaland, Unit Cube. No, I'm staying away from number 4. Yo, look at the size of Galaland. Look at number 3. He's a chunky boy. Galaland will never win a race in his life. He's a big boy. That man. And he has an overbite. Hey, I smack me mos a race mos. No, Galaland, why are you here, my bro? Yo, look at the nose on number 1. Look at the nose on Grand Coulee Dam. Yo. Do you guys really want to vote for Galaland now? Why does everyone want to vote for Galaland? Number 3 all the way, Galaland. Do you guys don't see the pains on Galaland? Aibo. Yo, you guys really want to vote for Galaland? Hi. Number 2 is a wolf in disguise. Wait, we can look at them. Yo! Galaland is a 1,217 kilogram. You guys, that thing is going to move 1 centimeter. Galaland is moving 1 centimeter, I'm telling you now. Let's see. 987. 674. Galaland is a bloody whale, my bro. Galaland is a whale. This thing is not going to move. It's going to start an earthquake. Okay, it's fine. We vote for Galaland. But we're going $5. $5 on Galaland. I don't have big hopes on you, bro. Let's go. No, man. Galaland. There we go. Galaland! Everybody wish Galaland good luck right now because you voted for him. I know a lot of you win number 2. Galaland, wish him good luck. Go! I want to Galaland! Galaland, you absolute unit! Go, my baby, go! 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 Yay! 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 You bloody legend! Yay! Galaland, I love you! You are the best! You are a whale on legs! You are a Ford F-150 with legs! Nah, I am sorry! I am sorry! We ever... This... Bro! Galaland is Ibn Itzabit. Galaland is Ibn Itzabit. I am sorry it was basically me. Galaland, I am sorry. I am sorry I ever doubted you a day in my life. That man moved! Yo! Bra. Number 3. Number 3's name is Asthmatic. Why do you put a horse with asthma in a horse racing competition? The bell is going to ring. Why do you put an asthmatic horse into a race? I want to know why you do such a thing to that poor horse. No, don't make me vote for the asthmatic horse, I beg you. I beg you. Robin Hoof, look at that guy. That guy has a big head. Robin Hoof. 860. 806. Big. Okay, we know full meal deal isn't very good. We know full meal deal isn't very good. Dude! 1341. What is your name? Fologioson. Okay. We are going to call you Dr. Phil. Dr. Phil weighs 1,341 kilograms. Nah. Guys, I am scared to go for asthmatic. Asthmatic is gonna start running and go. And he's gonna die. He's gonna fall over and die. He's not gonna make it. He's gonna fall over and die. We are not going asthmatic. We are not gonna go asthmatic. No! No, stop! Stop going for asthmatic. It's not gonna work out. Okay. I will put $10 on the asthmatic horse. Let's put $10 on the asthmatic horse. Let's see. Get him, Missy Nyler! Get him, Missy Nyler! No! I think he died of an asthma attack. Well, you see, I told you it's going to happen. He had an asthma attack. He was fast in the beginning. And I think his lungs exploded. Rest in peace, asthmatic. Rest in peace, asthmatic. He died. He's dead. I knew it was going to happen. I knew. Whoa! Look at John. Look at Johan Stinky Badge. Look at Johan Stinky Badge. That man has a dump truck. Yay! Johan Stinky Badge. Hey! Hurly Burly offspring. Hurly Burly, bro. You have a dumpy donkey. Highball. This man has a big dump truck, bro. We have to go with you one stinky badge. We have to go with you one stinky badge on this one. Bro, this, I'm telling you now, he's going to win. I'm telling you now, he's going to win. Johan Stinky Badge, look at that guy. It looks like he's gonna run. He's first gonna take out all of the other horses, then he's going to win. Watch him. $10 on Johan. $10 on Johan. Johan Stinky. Go. Stinky. Stinky. Johan. No, man. Johan. Bruh. Why does he have slippery shoes on? Johan, bruh, start running! Start running! Is your butt so big? No! Wait! Johan! Johan! Go! Johan! Johan, go! Bruh, go! Bruh, I'm going to have no money left. I'm going to be poor after another race. They are eating me. Nah, Johan. I don't. You see, ne? They are feeding the other big horses something else to eat. Because when I race something that's big, they win me. But when I pick a big horse, nah. The French gent. Bonjour, je m'appelle Bruce. The French gent. No, they imported the horse. That is disqualification. That is disqualification. Excuse me? I didn't know we can enter cheetahs into a horse competition. Why is there a cheetah in a horse race? Why is there a cheetah in a horse competition? It weighs 200 kilograms. This thing is gonna run. We are voting on free lunch. Bruh, yeah. This thing is not a horse, this is a cheetah. Full bet. These horses, they don't know what's coming. Cheetah all the way. Let's go. Easiest win of our life. Easiest win. We have no money left and we voted on a literal cheetah. We voted on a literal cheetah and he didn't even walk. You lying. You are lying. This is why I don't go to a casino. I will walk out with nothing. We won. Literal. We haven't won yet. Okay, no. The next one must be revolutionary. We are going to win. Galaland! Galaland is here again. Galaland is back. Guys, Galaland. We haven't been... Galaland. I forgot we won with Galaland. Galaland is going to take us. Trust in Galaland. I know. You see the trophy? That's our trophy. Galaland is back. I love you, Galaland. Don't let me down. No, but look at this thing. This thing looks like a pavement special. This thing looks like a Brack Terrier. We must watch out for this one. What is his name? Quantination. Kels. Okay. Galaland. Guys, trust in Galaland. Galaland is gevaarlijk. We're going Galaland. We're going all money into Galaland. Galaland, don't let us down. buy you KFC. Galaland! Galaland! Go! 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 Galaland, go! Hey! Go, Galaland, go! Go, my baby, go! Galaland, I love you. Galaland! 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 I think Galaland had a heart attack. Galaland just died. He heard I was going to buy him KFC. His cholesterol spiked and he had a heart attack. Galaland, he was the fastest horse we ever knew. Rest in peace, Galaland. Rest in peace, Galaland in the chat. Galaland is dead. Bra heard I was going to buy him KFC and he died. Nah, Galaland, that's bad, bro. That guy was fast. And we have no money left. We spent everything on Galaland.
Howdy, partner. Looks like you could use some cash. Scoop this dung into the cart and I'll pay you $50. Wil jy nou vir my sê, do you want to tell me we have to pick up horse poo-poo? We have to pick up the horse poo-poo for money.
Don't gamble. Don't gamble. Do not gamble, especially not on a horse. Oh wait, we can drive around. What's this? What's this? We have a hooter. Okay. Okay, wait, what's this? Oh, we have a house. Oh, guys. We can make the horses go smoochy and we can get the other baby horse. Wait, there's an entire map. Whoa, there's an entire map to go around. Hello! Oh no, he died. Sir? Oh, okay. Why not grab? Oh wait, we can get... Oh wait, we can get the lasso. I saw wild horses southwest from here. Southwest, okay, over here. Guys, we can get our own horse! Oh! Okay, this is important. This is important for the industry and this is important for the well-being of our money. You guys must help me get the perfect horse there is. I'm telling you now. You guys must tell me. You must say stop. That one looks perfect. So we're looking for... That one looks like a giraffe. What's this? Oh, what's this?
Hello, my friend. Welcome to my little old ranch. Grab and pick a horse if you want to trade.
My bro, wat did I come to trade? I have nothing to trade.
Secret Santa.
What? Who's on first? Cosmonaut. Sunbeam face. I have nothing to trade, but now we know we can trade. You spent all your money on a lasso. Don't worry. Do not worry. We can go and rob someone. We can go and get money. Don't worry about the money now. We just need to find the contender. We have to find the best. Whoa! Look at that man's legs. It is bent for ultimate power. Guys, hear me out. that man's legs is broken because he's so fast. He's so fast when he runs, his legs break. He's so fast when he runs, his legs break. That man looks like a good contender. That guy looks like a good contender. He's so fast, his legs break, bro. Do you think we win this testing? The other ones don't look fast. We need a Mustang. We need Lightning McQueen. I think that one. I think this one is the best bet for us. That guy is gonna win some races. Hey, come to Papa! Wait, no, don't run! There we go! Okay. we have our first horse! W's! We have our first horse! Oh wait, no, we don't have someone for him. Oh, what must his name be? Let's name him Daga. Daga the horse. That is perfect. Daga the horse. Alright, let's... Wait. What's this? Oh, we can see how fast it is. I believe in him. I believe in Daga. I believe in him. He is going to win his first race. Wait, what's this now? Oh wait, I spent all my money. Now I have to pick up the poo-poo. Okay, it's fine. Let's go. No. I want to race my horse. Here we go. Oh. Alright, Daga is entering. Daga is entering his first race, everybody. Get your hands together. Get your hands together for Daga. Let's go. We win $500. We win $500 if Daga wins this race. Okay, let's see who's he up against. He's up against Sunbeam Face. Just like it, that thing has a big mouth. That thing can eat a Gatsby in one bite. Straight. That thing can eat a Gatsby in one pop. Straight. Then Glenn looks angry. Why is Glenn so angry? Phoebes, no problem. Don't stress. Okay, Daga looks ready. He's ready for all of these guys. I'm telling you, Daga is not bang. He is ready to take them on. I'm telling you, Daga is ready. He's ready for them. And then Hot Coco. Hot Coco. He's probably the fastest one here. Let's go. Daga, I have faith in you. Wait. What did I tell you? Hot Coco. Daga! Go! You are the legend! We picked the right horse. Daga! Don't flip over, I beg you. Whoa! No! That Sunbeam Face is mocking us! Nah, Daga. No, my bro, what happened? No, you lying. No! I had so much faith in Daga. Look at Diesel. Maybe Diesel is going to win. Look at Diesel. Diesel maybe win. Oh no, Diesel. Okay, I'm saying we have to vote for Diesel. I believe in Diesel. Diesel is going to take this one to the books. I believe in Diesel. Straight. $5, keep it safe. Diesel is expensive. That's why I'm only going 5. I'm only going 5 on Diesel. Diesel? No. No, man! We have zero luck! We have zero luck when it comes to voting for the right horse. We have absolutely negative win rate. We have negative win rate when it comes to getting the winning horse. And he's tired. Oh, wait, he's really tired. Taha, you had one race. You had one race and you're tired of that one race. That is bad. That is not... No, you're lying. You're lying. Okay, you know what? You go to sleep, man. Go to sleep. Eat your stuff. We need... Okay, no, you see. Daga was fast. But he needs a partner so we can make the ultimate Daga cookie baby. I'm not... listen. That curved legs, it is like a Ferrari. The Ferrari has curves. You know how Ferrari looks. The Ferrari has curves. Now Daga's legs is curved. Now we just need to find him a beautiful horse lady with instead of a front curve, she must have a back curve so the legs go like this. So the legs go like this. Okay. Let him do his stuff. Let him. And let's go. Oh wait, no, we have to win a race with him. What is this thing? What's this?
Help.
It's so nice to see you. Oh no, I forgot we're sick. We have to. Oh no. Okay. We don't have enough money. We don't even have enough money to get into the race. Okay, so Daga is lucky. He can sit this one out. Now we have to choose between these ones. It's fine. It's going to work out, I promise. Okay, we can choose between Portland Star, Olegan Mardat, Korn, and Blorp. Blorp, Korn, Olegan Mardat, and Portland Star. Now this guy's legs is curved. You guys know what I'm telling you about the curved legs. The curved legs is the secret weapon. But this guy has some socks on. This guy has the Nike socks on. This guy can run. He has the shoes with the socks. Yo, guys, Blorp may be good. Blorp may be good. Blorp. But wait, whoa, this guy. Oh, wait, this guy is massive. This guy, I didn't see how big this. Olegan. Guys, Olegan maybe a sheep in this, a wolf in disguise. Olegan may be a wolf in disguise. Maybe. I'm not lying. Look at him. I think we go with Olegan. Or maybe Blorp. No. We stick with Blorp. $10 on Blorp because we need enough to get in. Okay, Blorp, it's your time to shine. Wait! He does it. What is our luck with these horses, my guy? Everybody is flipping over. I knew we should have gone with Korn and not Blorp. We never win these races, man. We never win these races. It never goes good for us. No, Blorp. What is wrong with Power Player? Why does Power Player looks like he's high on the Omadaga? This guy's eyes is red. It looks like he looks like a zombie. My Chom, what happened? Oh no. Oh no. What's wrong with Power Player? Can anybody tell me? Look at him. He's not lekker in the kop. He's Nah, that guy is creepy. They put a literal zombie in between all of nah, extended version. What is okay? Extended version. Markan. He has the glasses on. He has the glasses on. Power Player, that crazy one. Look at the Squidward nose on this guy. No, this guy has a fist like a Squidward nose. Oh wait, but he's that. Okay, no, that guy is gonna top over. I honestly think number two has this one in the bag. Little tail, not a big head, so he doesn't going to flip. Number two. I think number two is gonna take this one. Let's go! Let's go, Merc! Let's go, Merc! Oh no, Power Player, the zombie. Oh no. Oh, wait, no, flip over! Flip over, please! No, Merc, what are you doing, my chum? Go! Kick in the turbo! Guys. This is not good. We have lost all of our money again. Now we go for the poo-poo. We go clean up the poo-poo 4 more times. No, bro. We are bad. We are bad at choosing the right horse. We are bad at choosing the right horse. Okay, wait. We are going to go back. We're going to go back. And we're going to give Daga one more chance. We are gonna give Daga one more chance. If this guy doesn't win, we are returning him back to the wildland. If Daga doesn't win this race, mark my words, we are going to return him back to the wildland. Daga, this is your last chance. Daga, this is your last chance. Okay, we don't have to worry about hot cocoa. We know hot cocoa isn't very good. Johan Stinky is bad. And who's on first? We haven't gone against who's on first. I think Daga is winning this one. Who's with me? Daga is taking this trophy home today. Straight. Let's go. Daga is winning this one. What happened to hot cocoa? Go, Daga! Daga, don't flip over. Don't flip over. You have this. You have this in the bag. You have this in. No, you don't. I'm gonna take you. I'm going to take you home. Let's go. Let's go. I believed in you. Guys. You see what happens when you just talk a little bit of fear into it. We win, bruh. Daga won his first race. Let's go. Daga, you deserve a Streetwise 2. I'm going to go to KFC now. You must eat nicely there. I am going to get you a Streetwise 2 with a Oreo crusher. That's a promise. Oreo crusher with a Streetwise 2. And I'm gonna pay 2 rand for hope, my bro. You made me in a very good mood right now. You put me in a very good mood right now. Daga, you absolute legend. Guys, I think we found our champion. And I'm telling you now, in the next episode, we are going to find Daga, the perfect wife, and they are gonna make the Usain Bolt child, and we're gonna win every race. we're gonna win every race. This is going to be episode 1 of Horsey Game. This is gonna be episode 1 of Horsey Game.